Hello guys, in this video I am going to do a review of House of Marley je083 Bluetooth earphones with mic. So let's quickly have a review on it. Here you can see a Smile Jamaica wireless earphones with mic which are of blue color, which means denim color. So let's quickly have a view on specification of it. It gives 8 hours of playtime. It has 3 button controls, a microphone and a lightweight neckband. Its Bluetooth version is of 4.2 and its range is around 10 meters. It has a battery of Li-ion which capacity is 170 mAh. It gives you battery life of maximum 8 hours and this battery takes 2 hours to charge. So now it's time for unboxing friends. So this is how the headphone looks if you wear it on your ear. So in the box you will get a wireless earphone, a USB charging cable and a pouch for keeping earphones in it. The earphones comes with a wireless 3-button controls and it allows for media control without touching your device. Main function includes answering or rejecting calls, adjust volume, media play, pause, rewind, fast forward and mute. It also has a noise cancelling microphone which gives you a pretty decent call quality. At the back of the volume button you can find a charging port and an LED indicator for indication of charging at the right side of the charging port. So if you plug your earphone for charging, it will give an indication of red color. As you can see here, it is giving indication of red color and the earphones is charging, and it takes maximum 2 hours for charging the earphones to full, and it will give you an 8 hours of playtime or battery backup. Coming to the build quality, the build quality of the earphones is extremely another level, and it has a very decent build quality. The neckband is made up of silicone and it is very flexible and very lightweight, whereas the cable is tangle free and it is very durable, and as you can see it has a denim design color. The earphones are made up of wood and it gives a pretty decent look if you wear it on your ear. It is an FSC certified wood as mentioned on the box. The sponge of the earphones is very soft and it does not irritate your ear if you wear it. Also you can fix the cable on your neckband as I am doing here in the video. You will also get an extra pair of sponge which is of small sizer if your earphones does not fit into your ear. Sound quality of the earphones is pretty good and Bluetooth connectivity too. Here you can see I am connecting my phone with my earphones in just 3 seconds. So a big thumbs up for these earphones, and the buy link is given in the description friends. Thanks for watching this.